Hi friends, I am Dr. Prabhat and today we will be discussing about the hemichordate phylum. It's very small phylum. So let's start. Hemichordate, it's diagram of NCERT, so important. One of the member of hemichordate we can see Blanoglossus. So the first thing, बच्चों को जो सबसे पहला कन्फ्यूजन होता है दैट हेमी एंड कॉर्डेट. हेमी मिस इट सिम्स कि इसका मतलब हुआ हाफ कॉर्डेट, है ना. और बच्चे ऐसा सोचते हैं दैट इट इज़ समथिंग रिलेटेड विथ कॉर्डेट, ये कॉर्डेट का ही भाई है. बट वी वेरी क्लियर दैट इट्स मिसनोमर. It has nothing to do with chordate. It is non-chordate. Nothing to do with chordate. Initially, a stomochord. Now, what is a stomochord? We will see. Was thought to be notochord, and so they were placed under chordate. But now it's very much clear that stomochord is not the notochord, है ना. stomochord is not the notochord. ठीक है, इसलिए हमने इसको अब वहाँ से निकाल के कहाँ रख दिया, हमने इसको नॉन कॉर्डेट में रख दिया. ना व्हाट इज दिस स्टोमोकॉर्ड वो हम देखेंगे जैसे जैसे हम आगे जाएंगे. हैबिटेट अभी मैंने इकाइनोडर्माटा में बताया था 5 ग्रुप्स विच आर एक्सक्लूसिवली मरीन. कौन कौन से हैं? फर्स्ट टिनोफोरा, सेकंड इकाइनोडर्माटा, थर्ड हेमिकॉर्डेट, फोर्थ प्रोटोकॉर्डेट, फिफ्थ कार्टिलेजिनस फिश. सो हैबिटेट व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट? एक्सक्लूसिवली मरीन. बॉडी फॉर्म दे आर वॉर्म लाइक, कीड़े टाइप का एक डायग्राम देखा था आपने और देखेंगे हम लोग. सॉरी, they are worm like and their body has 3 parts: proboscis, collar and trunk. Proboscis, collar and trunk. Trunk also has 3 parts, we will see in short while. It also has 3 parts: A, B and C. What is A, B, C? We will see that A is brachiogenital, B is hepatic region and C is abdominal region. We will see in short while, don't worry. So it's a worm like structure composed of proboscis, collar and trunk. It is composed of proboscis, collar and trunk. Now this trunk has 3 parts. Trunk also have 3 parts. A, this is brachiogenital region. As the name suggests, it has respiratory part and it has gonads with it, and hence the name brachiogenital. Then we have hepatic part as second part of the trunk, hepatic part, and the third part of the trunk is abdomen. Abdomen is ending with whom? With anus. So this is the anus. So trunk also have 3 parts: A, B and C. ठीक है जी. Now one thing which you should know that there is mouth which is present in the ventral side of the collar. So ventral side of collar have mouth. ठीक. Proboscis is a muscular structure which have cilia also, and so the function of this is collection of food. Now how this collected food will be transported to mouth? For this we have stomochord. So what is stomochord? A stomochord is nothing but it is buccal diverticulum or pre-oral cavity. ओरल के पहले का cavity which joins whom to whom? Which joins proboscis to oral or buccal cavity. ठीक है. It is, this stomachord is a solid rod like structure but hollow in nature. hollow होता है so that food can be transported from proboscis to buccal cavity, है ना. And this stomachord have one more function, it support, stomachord, it supports or provides support to proboscis. ठीक है. So this is stomachord which was initially thought to be notochord, but now it's clear that it is not a notochord and hence the hemichordate has been now classified as non-chordate. ठीक है. So this is the body form. I hope you are clear now. This is the diagram taken from internet, that how they are present in the on the sea surface. In fact they are fossorial. fossorial मतलब they live in deep burrows, है ना, जमीन में छेद करके अंदर रहते हैं. So this is the proboscis part, collar part and trunk part. These all together are known as trunk. So three part, proboscis, collar and trunk. Then we have digestive system, complete GIT. They have complete GIT and they are ciliary feeder. आप ही ने मुझे बताया that their proboscis have cilia, so they are ciliary feeder. Respiration, they have gills and body surface also do help, we'll see ahead. Circulatory system, open type of circulation, heart present but dorsally, of course all non-chordate have dorsal heart only. Excretory organ, they have one or two glomerulus present in proboscis, so it is also known as, these glomeruli are also known as proboscis gland. ठीक है. In these two example, blanoglossus and saccoglossus, reproduction we will also see here. So body cavity is introcoelom. Of course we have seen in Echinodermata that now from Echinodermata ahead all the organism will have introcoelomic body cavity, and the upper part will be what? Will be protocoel, middle part will be what? Will be mesocoel, and the last part will be metacoel, है ना, and the last part will be metacoel. ठीक है. Then buccal cavity or buccal diverticulum or stomachord, already we have discussed. Respiration by gills, open type, circulation is there, and then heart is dorsally present, and they have respiratory pigment क्या, vanadium, है ना, vanadium. Then excretion through proboscis gland or glomerulus. Central nervous system as of non-chordate, we have discussed the non-chordate central nervous system multiple times in previous lectures. And then they are unisexual, fertilization external, and Tornoria larva, which is very much similar to Bipinnaria, and then Planoglossus, because of its shape it is also known as tongueworm, है ना. We have discussed everything, just a summary. ठीक है. Dear friend, it was a small session, a small phylum we have done with this. इससे बाहर आपसे नहीं पूछा जाएगा नियर फ्यूचर में. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. गो टू द चैनल, सब्सक्राइब इट, like it and share it with your friend. Thank you. All the best.